So it is known to you when you are going for the design. We have designed BCD to access code. It's a 3 code converter. In the same way, if for any input, if you want to design a code converter, will you able to design it? In the same way that you have done for BCD to XS3. The only thing is that you should know about the output. What is, since it is here, it is known to you, what do you mean, what is the meaning of XS3 code, so that you can easily write down the output also for the input value. In the same way, if other kind of problem is there, I think you will be able to design it. Now, if you're going for the analysis procedure, this is just a reverse process. Already I explained to you the design of combinational circuit starts from a verbal specifications of required function and culminate with a set of Boolean function or a logic diagram. Okay. The analysis of a, just see, we are going to analyze the circuit. So the analysis of a combinational circuit is the reverse process. It starts with a, just let me go to the slideshow. Yeah, it starts with a given logic diagram and culminate with the set of Boolean function. So a truth table or a verbal explanation of the circuit operation. The first step in the analysis is to show that the given circuit is combinational and not sequential. So how do you check it whether it is combinational or sequential? Can you tell me? It is mentioned also. If I'll ask you to analyze the circuit and if I'll ask you whether the given circuit is combinational circuit or sequential circuit, so how do you make it confirm? Don't keep silent, please. The diagram of a combinational circuit has logic gates with no feedback paths. What is the significance of this? No idea? We started with the introduction also, no? When we started the module, we discussed about the sequential and the combinational circuit. So that discussion we have already done now. So how you will check whether the given circuit is sequential or combinational? Don't keep silent, please. Otherwise I'll start calling your name. How do we confirm it? Am I audible or not? First tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Then?
Ma'am, I don't remember.
Not remember anyone else? You may be wrong, you may be right. Is it okay? It's perfectly fine. There is no issue. Anyone else from girls?
Ma'am, combination may be like combining like many gates.
Oh, sequential doesn't have any gates?
Ma'am, have like, but in a sequence.
Anyone else?
Output kind of is reliable on the previous output.
Input. Very good. What's your name?
Gayatri, ma'am.
Gayatri.
Yes,
Some are correct. It's clearly, even I am showing the slide also.
Time dependent.
Combinational circuit, there will be no feedback. What is the meaning of feedback? Do you know? Feedback means what? The portion of the output you are giving as an input also. Is it so? The output, the input, suppose you got output in the first time. If you're going to get the output of the second, it's also depend on the output that you have obtained from the first stage. Are you getting me? So there will be a memory element. We'll start from the proceeding chapters, modules. But in the combinational circuit, there will be no feedback path. Only input and output. Feedback is not there. Okay. Now, to obtain the output Boolean function from a logic diagram, proceed as follows. How to go with the analysis? Label the arbitrary symbol all gate output that are function of the input variable. Of course, if you want to write the Boolean function, first thing is that you should be able to know, you should be in position to tell about the particular gate. If you don't aware with the particular gate, like AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, XOR not, XNOR gate, then how do you write the Boolean function for that? And similarly, for the given logic gate, suppose number of stages are there, number of gates are there, you just check how many input, how many outputs are there, and just assign some variable for input and output. So that for the particular input, you have to check which gate is given here. And for the particular gate, you can write the function of the output. Obtain a Boolean function for each gate. Are you getting me? What is the meaning of this? Obtain the Boolean function of each gate. Suppose in your circuit, suppose 4 gates and gates are there. So better you go slowly, no need to write the combined equation directly. First, you write the separate equation for all the outputs. Later on, you can combine all those things together. Are you getting me? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please reply me meanwhile. I'm thinking whether am I audible or not. Okay. So next, label with the arbitrary symbol with the gates, which are a function of input variables and or previously labeled gates. Find the Boolean function for these gates. Repeat the process obtained in step 2 until the outputs of the circuit are obtained by repeated substitution of the previously defined function. Obtain output Boolean function in terms of the input variables only. Better to take one example. If I'll ask you to write the Boolean function for this logic diagram, will you able to write? Will you able to write the expression for this?
Yes, ma'am.
So, see what I am telling you here. This OR gate output is not mentioned. I just wanted to know about the expression for F1 and F2. Input is given to you. Can you do it? How you will proceed? First write the expression for T2, then T1, isn't it? Since this is F2 complement, so it will be, so this will be what? This is what? This is F2. So first, yeah, so first you individual write, then finally let me know the expression for F1 and F2. I'm waiting for your response. You solve this circuit and just tell me the expression for F1 and F2. Whatever you will get. I'm not asking you to simplify with the K-map or anything else. I just want to know about the expression of F1 and F2. That's it, based on this given logic diagram. Okay? Your time starts now. Just solve it.
Ma'am, function for F1 will be.
Wait. Yeah, F1 is, yeah, this one. Just compare this. F1 is coming around A complement B, C complement, A complement, B complement, C plus A, B complement, C complement plus A, B, C. And F2 were AB plus AC plus BC. F2 is a direct, no? F2, 3 gates and gates are there. So it is easy. Just check for the F1. Do cross check for the F1. Whether it is coming same or not. Gayatri, it is coming same.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay. Everyone else?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion? So this is just an example. Okay. Always the question will not be like that. There may be some difference. So based on the circuit, the analyze means you need to get the output. You just see how we proceed. We took for F2, then we took for T1, T2. Later on, we took the equation for T3, then we substituted the value. Then finally, we got F1. And once we have done this, we can go for the truth table. How? Here we can see we have the three input A, B, C. Based on this three input, you can write the expression for F2, F2 complemented. So how do you get this? You can solve by K-map. You can go with the truth table, and based on that, you can simplify this.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to mention the truth table for each and every node, like T1, T2, T3. Basically, we are concerned about F1 and F2. So why
Not very important. The final input output is important. The finally what you are getting, maybe if it is there in the exam, it should supposed to give the clarification what to do, what not to do. But it's not very important. Like your question is correct. Like in this circuit, if you see, we have to output F1 and F2. So we are only concerned with this. But I will suggest you when you are going to get the Boolean expression for that. So better you write the separate expression directly. Do not jump to the final one. So there is possibility of mistake, huh? So that's why just go one by one. But in the truth table, direct answer if also you are writing, that's okay, no issue.
Okay.
So this is all about your track portion. If you have any doubt, if you want any clarification, you can discuss with me. So next we will start in the next class, not today's class. If you want to ask something, any clarification you want,
Can you please show
discuss with me.
that page again, that slide?
Wait. This one? This one? Truth table?
Actually, you are not sharing your screen.
Oh, wait. My screen is shared already. Now it is visible. This truth table you are asking?
No, ma'am. The function.
Previous one?
27.
This one?
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Done.
Done, huh? Everyone, please prepare. And only one thing I can tell you, this subject is so easy. Don't be in hurry. Paper may be, just a minute.